Hello fam, welcome back to another interesting video guys. Today I share with you perfect way to make noodles using no fry method guys. So guys, let's get started. In a clean pot, add in some water, cover it and bring it to a boil. Now go in with the noodles. We are using 3 packs. Alright. Afterwards, cover it and allow it to cook for let's say 30 seconds. Yes, you don't allow it to overcook. Yes. So at this point, it is ready. We're going to sieve, all right? Not properly cooked. Yes, we'll just have cooked it. So go on and save it and set aside. In a clean pot, add in some water. Let's say half cup of water. And then add in the noodle spice. Okay. Yes, the one that came with the noodles. We added 2 of it, left with 1. Now go on and add in your pepper onions mix, okay? Drizzle in some oil. Let's say 2 tablespoons of oil, your vegetable oil, yes. Now pour in the half-cooked noodles, yes. And stir to combine, okay? Allow to cook for a few seconds. And then now go in with the remaining noodle spice, okay? Introduce your mixed herbs. It gives it a unique taste, guys, so don't skip it, okay? Allow it to cook for a few seconds, all right? And here we are. Checking again, guys. It is almost ready. Yes, almost ready. Now, go on and garnish it up with some spring onions, okay? Yes, and give it a quick stir. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here, all right? Yes, and to you that is meeting my video for the first time, here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. Please do well to subscribe and be part of the family, okay? Thank you. So guys, at this point, it is ready, guys. So go ahead and take it off the heat, all right? It is looking so good, and it tastes so good, guys. Now it is time to serve. Yes. This is me serving our delicious, tasty noodles. Yes. Oh my, oh my. Are you going to make your noodles this way? Try it and taste the difference, okay? And we are going to be pairing it with some chicken and avocado. Looking so good, guys. Give it a shot, okay? If you want me to share another way you can make and enjoy your noodles, let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, alright? And as well subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you guys in my next video. Bye.